First, we open 360 Proxy software for IP extraction. Select country, state, city, zip code is to filter the desired proxy IP. Click Search. Right-click to set the local port. Click Port Forward List to copy the local IP address and port. Open Proxy for proxy setup. Open Proxy. Click Add a proxy. On the page that is displayed, click Add manually. Select Type on the pop-up Add Proxy page. Select the type from Shadow Socks to Socks 5. Fill in the server and port you extracted from our software in the appropriate location. Then click the Done button. You get a blue rectangle showing the IP. Click the blue play button. If the blue play button turns to purple, it indicates that it can be used normally. That's all it takes to connect to 360 Proxy via iPhone iOS.